What up, YouTube? Nadubs here. Today, we are going to watch the Acer Day Behind the Scenes 2025 Part Uno. Alright. You have seen the last video, the last part of the Pure Gold one. So I don't think they have that much of a technical difficulty in this concert. So alright, let's do it. Uh-oh. Rehearsal work. Ooh, with SB. This is 8 on ball, right? Yeah, I think it's 8 on ball. Damn, Sofia looks good. 8 on ball is with Kuya still. Damn, what cargo pant is this? Damn, that's so loud. 8 on ball.
Hello everyone!
Hello, hello.
We're
What up?
currently here at G Studios at the Sarah
Yeah,
G
you all look good.
Studio. We just rehearsed a ton ball
With SB19, we just finished. Kumain na rin kami
Hey,
ng
Tombo.
lunch. And then, ngayon sila Ate Sarah and
SB mag-rehearse. Yes.
Ooh,
Kaya,
for the yeah, that one.
yes,
Solid.
to Pasay. Let's go check into the hotel para nandun na tayo for everything. And then later we have stage
They're
rehearsal
following the
sa MOA.
following the
See,
angles.
there, magbabiyahe pa kami.
Ooh. Wait, what song is that?
Ay, hindi tayo ganun.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun-dun-dun. 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 The first thing you do in the hotel
for my sister.
is to flop on the bed.
She's gonna sleep here.
Yeah.
Oh, yung last time ako yung
Yes. So it's time for me to make the sacrifice.
Yes. And then next year it's AJ.
See ya!
Hopefully.
Also, Jazz is on the extra bed.
Just like you. Rise and shine.
This is at the MOA, right?
Tapos binasag ko, no? Welcome
Damn.
to the Philippines!
Ow. This was so good back then.
Just like you. I'm just like you. Just like you're I'm just like you. You are? You're just like me. There's somewhere else
Ooh, I think this is the Panya, the building right
Let's go
there.
to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey, say, what they gonna say? Have a drink, drink. Dive just like me. It's time to go back. Everybody! Well, sing with us!
My sister right here is very happy.
Sing with us!
She's very happy.
Hello,
The phone.
Sing with us! I can't hear you! Thank you. It's so sweet that it's our first time in Manila and we have like all these fans waiting, like look at all the cars waiting for us. Look. Thank you so much, guys! Come back to Manila soon! Thanks, guys! Grabe, no? Oh my god!
Jazz and Alves strolling before rehearsals. Wait, they went to the MOA? Mall? Right. Dito na ang mga palabas. At the arena. At the room?
Pag-search mo na lang pag pinapanood namin yung TikTok sa amin. Nakangiti din kami, guys.
Wait, what's this?
Tingnan ko kayo, Mirror. Oo nga.
Sa vlog, I said that I love MOA, and one of the reasons why I love MOA is because they have like rehearsal rooms as well. Like, look,
Eh? Really?
oh, diba? You can see in G22's vlog the backstage of MOA. So there's dressing rooms, there's also rehearsal rooms, and usually when we have events,
Oh, at the
Before we start,
MOA
okay.
something.
we're there, warm up. Hinahanap ko si coach kasi narinig ko siya, pero nawala siya. Let's have a look at the stage. Nagsaset up pa yung prod. Pero, oh my gosh. Taray.
Where is it? Show it.
Tingnan natin.
Ooh.
Tingnan natin. Hello, oh my God. Oh my God. Taray. Kuya, can you take a photo of me? So yan, we're back on the hunt looking for a team. Madami sila, so usually it's hard to find. And so here's another line of dressing rooms. Pag may mga malaking shows sa MOA, it's great. Ayan. Hi! I found them!
What is the dancers,
The
right?
Pokemon! Tara. AT! Say hi to the vlog!
What up?
Yes, so beautiful.
What up?
Oh, wait. I can't wait. Are you excited? I am. On a scale of 1 to 10. Oh, they broke the scale. Coach, choreographer of Filipina Queen.
Filipino.
See you guys there.
Okay, so they're gonna go for stage rehearsals first. And after they block themselves, then kami na. While the band is setting up. So punta na tayo ulit sa dressing room namin ng G22.
Hi, hello guys. We are on our way to the
What is
stage
all
for
fair
our
doing?
rehearsal and everything. Time check,
Everything,
9:12 p.m. It's very, very late,
Time check.
but it's okay.
Mas okay na rin ito para
12:35 a.m.
Mamadali. And also more time for the other artists to come home, yes. And we can like really like practice our stage and our set. Perfecto, magnifico. Suot na namin yung bootsiwana na. Bootswana.
Butch.
Bootswana. Kita ba? Bootswana!
Butch.
Ganito. So, nakasuot na kami ng Botswana. Hindi man lang ganyan. Hindi ganyan. Ganito. Pakita mo yung bots. Ay, ito na. Oh my God. Guys, look at the stage.
Hey, Tumbo.
5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2,
Let's go.
3, and 4, 5, 6, 7,
band.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
What are those? Mama Elds are stylist. Ooh, I remember that.
Ang saya magmusika dun, maglalakad kayo. May lakad na mahaba. Kasi barricade to. Oo. Ganito siya.
Okay. Sayang na.
I don't think.
Dyan na lang kami magmusika.
Have I listened to musika?
Musika.
I think so. I think so.
Coach? Kasi sayang eh.
No, I mean at this concert.
Sa bullets.
Hey guys. Angas ko, pagdating ko dito.
The Butch.
Ang ganda.
Pag golden time, that's for golden. Hindi, naka-ears na kayo.
Wait, there's no mic? Let's go.
Alright, golden tayo.
The golden guys. You're golden.
I think on the performance of the Golden, I think Jazz, like, her mic has the lowest gain out of all of them.
Wait. Up, 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 it's all one moment. Whee!
Yeah, I think Jazz has the mic thing.
She was a fairy.
Oh, it's in the necklace.
Is a red
Right here.
24 karat reverber. I will use my detector now to show you guys that it's real. Beep, 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 beep.
Ito na ang mga palaban. Eh. Wait, is this all on day one? That's so long. Oh my god. I thought it's short. Damn, that's far. And now G22 became the avatar.
Yung last time na nangyari,
Coach,
eventually
yeah.
walang may gustong
Miranda,
nangyari noon.
Musical
Kaya lang,
director.
to improve that, so we asked for more time para makapag sound check. At,
Oh.
I'm so happy tsaka blessed to work with these girls kasi very professional.
Is he the
Despite
director
problems
from
and
the last
difficulties,
concert?
They still on their game. Tapos walang mabigat na feeling. They just express it outside the stage. Pero pag nasa stage, talagang sobrang powerful. Pero yun nga, to improve that situation, we ask for more time at salamat na pagbigyan tayo. So everything is going well so far. So I hope everything goes well until tonight. So
Yeah.
nakakatuwa kasi yung mga, like one of the artists like G22, very, yung pagiging hands-on nila, na-appreciate ko yun personally kasi alam ko yung, at least yung mga movements na gagawin ko align doon sa mga plans nila, align sa mga gusto nila mangyari, from arrangement, even yung pagpe-prepare from a gig, talaga merong sit down kami na mga
course.
na nagmi-meeting kami, sit down with the coaches and the creatives. Tapos sila talaga may say. So, at least hindi mahirap in my end na ito ang gusto nila mangyari. So, wala akong pass and submit. Hindi, umpisa pa lang sabihin nila yung gusto nila. And
Yeah.
which is
Right,
sobrang
mag-
helpful sa mga creatives
They
gaya
just have
namin,
to
sa side
micromanage
namin sa band.
some
So, yun,
a little bit of
na-appreciate yun.
the
Sobrang
plan that they
na-appreciate.
do. Tapos na mag-rehearse ang mga what? Ang mga baliw? Ang mga palaban. How about the reverse clap?
Tila ibon kong lumipad. Tila ibon kong lumipad. Tila ibon. Awit na nananawagan. Namin ba makikinggan? Ay guys, so ngayon ay tapos na kami mag rehearsals and meron ulit kami rehearsal bukas. Tapos with everyone, SB19 and set namin. Ngayon, ine-enjoy ko na lang ang set ng rehearsal ng Kamikaze.
Right. I think I didn't watch the kamikaze.
Tila ibon kong lumipad. Bakit parang hindi alam mo na lyrics? Akin na lang kahit ilan malalaan. Awit na lalalawagan. Ikaw kanina yung nagsabi sa akin na yung boses ko, tas ngayon ikaw yung sumisigaw ng malakas sobra. Ano to? Ate ko, ikaw din ah. Kamikaze kasi. Boses.
He's so energetic.
Hi guys! So ayun,
Hello.
na kami sa
What up?
aming sound check. We're gonna have another sound check tomorrow ng 10 a.m.
Good, good.
to 11.
A
Tapos
double sound check. Nice.
magkakaroon after nun sound check ng SB19 and then our collab sound check. So we will have time,
It's a
hopefully,
bomb.
na maayos lahat. Lahat sa ating stage. So ayun. So ayun guys. So far it's good. It's doing okay. Golden is nice. We just
Golden.
need to rest our voices.
Gonna be golden.
So I'll rest mine.
Guys, we're done with our rehearsals and ngayon ay uwi na kami. Kasi may
We're
rehearsal pa
going
bukas.
home to the place where...
Tech-wise, we're just doing our very, very best. So far, it's okay. Everything's okay. So far, it's okay. Technical, everything. So, can't wait for the
We
DJ.
Gucci.
Let's see. May rehearsal pa bukas eh. Pero everyone's doing great with assigned jobs. And we're doing great as
Everyone's
well.
doing their
We're our
part.
part. And yun. Sana magustuhan niyo yung performance namin. Bye!
Bye.
And that is part
The
1.
wrap for
See you
today.
in part 2.
Alright, see you in the part 2.
Bye.
Bye. I'm a Filipina. The teaser. Oh, well. Anyway, come on now. Yeah. So they didn't have technical difficulties like before. So that's a big that's a big W for the ladies that um they performed like the sound production pala is better than before because they had like a double sound check, and I think they focused this time on the girls because we can see the frustration from their past concerts, collab concerts with other groups. So yeah. So yes, finally. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.